Hey everybody, just wanted to give you an update on the project. It's been running really bad for a few days. I've been waiting on jets. I got it rejetted. I had the offset on there. I tried putting the straight pipe on there. I thought it was robbing power. That wasn't the issue. Go back to the three main basics: fuel, spark, and air. Well, 4 if you count compression. But I took the plug out and just kept the plug in the wire and pedaled real slow with it in my hand. Sure enough, I got shocked. Put it back in and nothing. Took it out. It wasn't running. So I pulled the cover off thinking the screw had come loose or something in here. And the white wire that comes extra with it, I had wrapped it up in some tape, and the vibration had actually caused the tape to come off, and it was shorting out because I had sealed this up with silicone so nothing would get in there, and I was keeping that wire in case I ever wanted to put a light or something else on there. Anyway, cut it off and it's good to go. Just wrap my leads just in case, and put a video up of it running here shortly.